What's up, everybody? We're here in South Dartmouth, beautiful God's country. So we got this heavily rutted road here. Not sure if you can see this. Runs for about, 500 feet, but it's not all rutted this bad. So client wants this fixed. It's a good chance we're gonna fix this up without bringing any extra material in here. What we're gonna do is first scratch this all up, fill these ruts out, grab some material from the high side, fill in these ruts, compact it down nice. Once we get a nice smooth road base ready for this was a clamshell finished driveway. What we're going to do is grab the material, which you can probably see way down there. Over time this road never had a high side drainage ditch, so the water just ran down the driveway. So what we're going to do is grab the material, which is down there, and hopefully bring it up here so we can get this done looking good without the customer spending a whole lot of money. So step one is to fix these ruts up, get this smoothed out, graded nicely, filled in. Then step two is we'll start with our land plane from way down there, grab some excess material, work our way up here, and hopefully have a nice finish by the day is done. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, we got the ruts cleaned up and compacted. You can see here we were able to grab some excess gravel and dirt from the high spots and get this all filled in nicely, looking way better already, but this isn't how we want to leave it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch it up to our land plane. We're going to start at the bottom of the hill because the top coat all just washed down to the bottom of the hill. So we're going to grab the top coat there, get that up here, and get this looking like 90%. Get it smooth, get it looking good. Maybe run another run of compact it over it. Then we're going to go way back to the house, start at the house, land plane that all up because we don't do things halfway. Clean that whole driveway up, clean that all looking good, get rid of the high spots, the grass you see poking through the driveway way down there, and hopefully bring some more excess material up here for a nice final finish, working our way back up to the street and making this look good without any extra material coming in from the customer. It's going to be a little dark, a little brown, got a little bit of dirt mixed in, but a couple of good rains should get this settled in, looking good, and saving the customer some money.